at 7
Woke
o'clock.
up. I woke up.
I woke up at 7 o'clock. Then I went to bath and then ready. Then I went
Talked
to
with
college.
my family, and after that I spent some precious time with my daughter, and then again I made tea. And
Recall.
what did you do in the entire day, in the whole day, in morning to evening? So
If
you
you
can listen any story and any, nowadays
good
social
evening.
media there.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fit, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking me. So, we are meeting for the first time. So, could you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, ma'am, my name is Chotu Kumar. I am from Bihar, but currently I live in Rajasthan and I am pursuing master degree in computer application. That's all.
Oh, so are you living in Rajasthan for only education purpose? Yeah, anything else?
No educational purpose.
Okay. So, how long have you been living there?
Approx 1 month.
Okay, only 1 month.
Yes, ma'am. I recently, ma'am, taken admission in here.
Okay. So, which district do you live in Bihar?
Vaisali.
Okay, Vaisali. So, you have completed your all education in Vaisali, and the days only 1 month you live in Rajasthan. So with your family,
No, ma'am. Alone.
how is going on your day so far?
Yeah, ma'am. Great. Ma'am, firstly,
Okay.
ma'am.
What? Okay. My name is Priyanka Gupta. I'm a government teacher. I teach in primary school. So,
Okay.
so how long have you been learning English?
Ma'am, I am learning English for 4 months, but currently I started my practice.
Okay. So actually, so do you want to talk as a casual conversation? Yeah, we can talk like any topic, you can share your yesterday routine. What did you do yesterday?
Ma'am, ready. Okay. So firstly, ma'am, I wake up at 7
Woke
o'clock.
up. I woke up.
I woke up at 7 o'clock. Then I went to bath and then ready. Then I went to college. My college time is 9 to 3 p.m.
Okay.
In the meantime, I had taken lunch at 12 o'clock.
Okay. Meanwhile, you have taken lunch.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Then come back at 3 o'clock in my hostel.
Okay. You came back to
After
your
that,
hostel.
I taken some rest.
I took some rest.
I took some rest, and then now I am talking to you.
No. Actually, this is your daily routine. If I'm talking about yesterday, so if I will say that I woke up early in the morning, then I took lukewarm water, and after taking lukewarm water, I did exercise. After doing exercise, I got fresh. After getting fresh, I worship God. Then I went to in the kitchen, and then I made tea. I took tea, and after that, I prepared breakfast for me, for my family, and after that I got ready for my school, and I went to my school, and I taught my student, and then I came back my home around 4 to 5 o'clock, and after that I took some rest, and after taking some rest I talked with my family, and after that I spent some precious time with my daughter, and then again I made tea, and took tea, and after that I went to market, and I purchased grocery item, vegetables. Then I came back my home, and I prepared dinner for my family, and then after preparing dinner, I took dinner, and I went to outside and I walked sometimes. Then I come back to my home and I got fresh. After getting fresh, I went to bed and I operated mobile. And after that, I slept. That's all. Got it? Yeah. And yeah, and yeah, if you are talking about this daily routine, so daily we can say I will not use woke up. I will use wake up. Yeah, get up. I wake up early in the morning. Then I take lukewarm water, and after taking lukewarm water, I go to kitchen. Yeah, I do exercise so that we can do. Actually, mostly every person confused in past simple and present simple.
Okay. So,
Okay.
ma'am, can I repeat again my daily routine?
What?
Can I repeat, ma'am, again my daily routine?
Yeah, your daily. Okay, okay. Again. You can.
Okay. So, ma'am, firstly, I wake up early in the morning at 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Then, then I go to for some exercise.
Yeah. Then I okay. Go to okay. Do you go to park for doing exercise?
Doing exercise.
Okay.
Then after that, I go to bathroom. Then after that, I come. Then I fresh. Then I ready for prepare for going to college.
You can say then I get fresh. You don't use do I'm going bathroom because nowadays no person using this word. So you can say I get fresh. After that I get fresh.
So after that, I get fresh. Then I prepare for going to my college.
I get ready. I get ready for my college. Then I get ready for my college.
Then I get ready for my college.
Okay.
Then after that, I go to mess for lunch. After that, I go to my college. Then,
Okay. Sorry to interrupt you. So do you go to your college on foot, yeah, by car, by scooty, by bus?
ma'am, food.
On foot. So you can say after that I go to my college on foot.
I go to college on foot.
On foot, right.
Then, then I come back at 12 o'clock. It's time my lunch time breakfast. Sorry, lunch time. Then I
Okay.
come to my mess. Then I taken some food.
Not taken. Uh, Actually, you are talking about daily routine. So I take.
Okay, so I take food. Then again I go to. I come back for college. Then I come at 4 o'clock in my hostel.
Okay. Then you come back your home at 4 o'clock.
Ma'am, home hostel.
Yeah, in your hostel. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Then I take some rest, approx 2 hour.
Okay.
Then I start my study at 6 to 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Then I again go to my mess for dinner.
Okay.
After that, I come my hostel. Then I start my study at 10 to 12 o'clock regular.
Okay. That's good. Yeah, because you know that first of all we should focus our also I'm not professional in this language. I'm a teacher, but I do not teach in English subject. But I know that whenever you go to your bed for sleeping, so you should recall what did you do in the entire day, in the whole day, in morning to evening. If you will speak every day, so you can talk, you can speak. So I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
nowadays, yeah, routine is very important. Yesterday routine, tomorrow, yeah, daily routine. Yeah, you can talk about what will you be tomorrow. So if you, yeah, you should focus your routine. Then you can speak.
Yes,
very
ma'am.
well.
Ma'am, I have a one question.
Yes.
Ma'am, how can I think in English? Ma'am, somebody saying if you think in English, then you can speak in English.
Yeah, actually thinking, if I talk about thinking, so whenever you don't speak all time, you go to your college, okay, and if you sit on the bench and then you look your surround, what is going on, okay, two boys they are talking together, yeah, your teacher is teaching something, so you can think in your mind what is going on towards your surround your.
Okay.
Yeah, what did you do? I have told to you, whenever you go to your bed, so that time you can think. After thinking, you can speak. What did you do in a whole day? So first of all, you can think in your mind, yeah, I did do this, that, and then after sometimes you can speak. So this type, yeah, your English is being improved.
Okay, ma'am.
So first of all, you know that without speaking and we can't. I know writing. I can write easily without any mistake. But whenever I speak, so I do lots of mistake. And whenever I think, so I do not mistake in my side whenever I think. But whenever I speak, so I do mistake because thinking is a different and speaking is a different.
Yes, ma'am.
So lots of person they know English grammar very well, they can teach very well, but if you will talk with them, so they can't pronounce, they can't speak in a good way, because speaking is a different, teaching is a different. Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
first of all, yeah, you should have to practice, and practice is very important. And listening, listening and speaking, both are very important for learning English, because also I am a learner. So these days I am learning English, so I can say that, yeah, listening and speaking. If you have a time, so you can listen any story and any, nowadays social media, there is on YouTube channel, there is everything available. You can search easily, you can watch, you can listen. So if you have time, so you can watch as a small stories like a small kid child's story. Yeah. You.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.